iOS Google Maps update and Google Map widget for iPhone's home screen. So here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is on your iPhone's home screen, long press on the blank area. So I want to keep my widget here in this screen of my iPhone. So let me just long press on the blank space, and there you'll get to see edit option available at the top left corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the edit, and from the drop down menu all you have to do is tap on the add widget option available there. Now tap on the search bar and search for the Google Map, and you will get to see various options available there. Swipe or slide it and choose one according to your preferences. So I prefer the first one, so let me just tap on it, and you can also drag your widget wherever you want to keep it and tap on the done option available there. I do not have my location services toggled on, so this is why this error message is showing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.